This is the fatal end to a classic story of how tough a 3.8 is. Crushed twice by a bulldozer and only one repair, a redneck piece of duct tape. Let's see if we can kill a Buick. Well, as you can see, there ain't much left and she ain't what she used to be. But ashes to ashes and rust to rust. Let's see if this thing fires up. We got a battery in, redneck gas tank. It's stuck in drive. I think it's got a little bit too much friction to go by itself. So, here we go. It won't start on full throttle mode. Try two. Keep filming. Oh, I gotta get the fire finisher. Whoa, come here.
The Buick has officially died on fire. But dead. Here comes our loyal redneck fire department.
Uh-oh.
With the redneck fire extinguisher.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
Buick died.
Like, why did this happen? The motor's not even blown. I don't have much left since the Cressida.
They didn't take long at all.
The motor's not blown. For some reason it caught fire.
Not on fire.
Since this is empty, I'm going to waste it all, but I got to get it refilled anyways. Oh well. My other motor blew too with fire, you know?
Yeah.
And we didn't plan it.
Why did it fire from the middle? Wasn't it fire from the front?
There was tranny oil blowing out or something, look.
It was on fire when it was leaking.
For some reason, all that tranny oil or whatever's leaking underneath caught fire off the hot exhaust. And I guess that's why it caught fire. We didn't even blow a tire yet. Oh.
That's sad.
It sucks. I guess you can't kill a Buick 3.8. Well, maybe I got to get some more exhaust. Some more stuff down there. Squeeze the trigger. I think I should save my bike tip too.
And battery. The battery's still good.
Oh yeah, the battery's still good. I might have to get some water. I think we got a insulation fire on the firewall. Oh well. If it ain't got fire, it ain't fun. That's all I can say.